Every developer is adding AI to their resume, but most have no idea how to wire it into a real backend system. That is the gap I am closing, and over the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how we close it together. Tutorial projects teach you CRUD, and then they stop right where the hard part begins. Real companies need developers who can design product catalogs, order flows, and payment systems, plus AI features that actually work in production. Most courses skip those hard parts. This series does not. So I am building a complete AI native e-commerce platform from scratch with Node.js, Nest.js, and Go as the backend system. This is designed the way real production systems are built. Not just a pile of APIs, but real architecture you can defend in any interview. First, we map the whole system. You can see how the client, the API gateway, the catalog and order services, the database, the job queue, and the AI engine all fit together as one clean architecture. No spaghetti, just clear boundaries where every part has one job. By the end, you will learn back-end structure and clean module design with Node.js, Nest.js, and Go. You will build catalog, cart, orders, and auth at production grade, integrate AI into a real e-commerce system, and face the scaling decisions real companies actually deal with. Then we trace a single request end to end. We watch an order move from the client through auth into the order service, out to payments, onto the background queue, and back. By the end, you understand not just the boxes, but how data actually flows between them. The core episodes are free: auth, catalog, cart, orders, and payments, the advanced system design, the AI integration deep dives, and the production architecture decisions live inside the channel membership for developers who want to go all the way. Come and join the channel. This is where developers level up for real. You will find a growing library of practical treasures, project-based builds, system design deep dives, AI engineering, and honest career guidance that help you upskill fast, land a job sooner, and bump up your salary. If you are serious about becoming a backend developer who can build AI-ready systems, not just follow tutorials, subscribe to Code with Jay, and let's build it together.